Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Made Easy. Today we will continue our chapter number 1 of class 11 MCQs. Now let's start. 29 MCQs है. The structure or organelle which is present both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is, यानी कि स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ और स्ट्रक्चर या ऑर्गेनली जो प्रेजेंट होता है बोथ प्रोकैरियोटिक और यूकैरियोटिक सेल में, वो क्या है? क्रोमोसोम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. सो द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, क्रोमोसोम, is present both in nucleus, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Let's move to next one. The cell wall of prokaryotic cell, bacterial, is composed of pectin, lignin, cellulose, murein. Option number D जो है वो correct है and that one is murein. Let's move to next one. The cell organelle which is present in animal cell but not in plant cell, यानी कि सेल organelle जो प्रेजेंट होती है एनिमल सेल में लेकिन प्लांट में नहीं होती, वो क्या है? प्लास्टिड, सेंट्रियोल, लाइसोसोम्स, न्यूक्लियोलस. सो द ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन एंड दैट इज सेंट्रियोल. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट वन. द मेम्ब्रेन enclosed spaces of endoplasmic reticulum are called lamella, cisterna, stroma, crista. So the option number B is correct and that is cisterna. Let's move to next one. Lysosomes are sometimes called, lysosomes को sometimes क्या कहा जाता है? Peroxisome, mesosomes, phagosomes, Lysosomes. So the option number C is the correct one and that is phagosomes are sometimes called as phagosomes. The most prominent cell organelle of a bacterial cell other than DNA is what? Mesosomes, ribosomes, lysosomes, nucleosomes. So option number B, ribosome. In the level of green plants, peroxisomes are the site of what? Respiration, photosynthesis, photorespiration, phototropism. Option number C, photorespiration. Let's move to next one. Plasma membrane is made up of 10% of protein. Plasma membrane जो है वो 10% of the protein से बनी होती है. 20 to 40%, 60 to 80%, 40 to 80%, 60 to 80%. So the option number B is the correct one. 60 to 80%. Let's move to our next one. The endoplasmic reticulum was first reported by Porter in what? 1947, 1847, 1945, 1845. The right option is what? The right option is 1945. Now let's move to our next one. Ribosomes was first studied by Palade and its diameter is about 10 nanometer, 30 nanometer, 20 nanometer, 40 nanometer, 50 nanometer. The right option is B, 20 nanometer. Let's move to next one. Up to 2% adult human cell die every day. This reaches to 10 million cell die each second. 12 million, 18 million, 14 million, 16 million. So the option number B, 18 million is the correct one. Let's move to our next one. Microtubules are made up of proteins called dash and traces of RNA, actin, myosin, tubulin, all of these. The option number C is the correct one, and that is tubulin. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Biology Made Easy. Bye. See you in my next lecture.